Utilize your bathroom space by creating a dedicated showering area within your bath with the Aquadart Venturi 6 left-hinged black bath screen, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted with care, this sleek bath screen features a left-hinged design for easy access and convenience. The 6mm thick safety glass ensures durability and provides a crystal-clear view of your beautiful bathroom. With a clean and clear glass protection system, cleaning has never been easier, keeping your bath screen looking pristine for longer. The sleek black fittings effortlessly blend with any bathroom decor, adding a touch of elegance. Designed for functionality, it has one fixed panel and one panel with a 180-degree pivot, effectively preventing shower splashing and keeping your bathroom dry and tidy. Say goodbye to messy showers and hello to a refreshing showering experience with the Aquadart Venturi 6 left-hinged black bath screen. Discover this and the rest of the Aquadart bath screen range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.